Uh-oh.
What? What? Yes! Oops.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Huh? Yes! Hey. Huh?
Oops.
Huh? Ooh. Huh? Ooh.
Look at those teeth. You're in good company. Okay, I could have phrased that better. Here, try this on for size. Look at those eyes. It's important to love the skin you're in. A purple dinosaur. Well, it worked for Barney. And you know what goes great with purple. Some pink for a nice fleshy mouth. Ooh, what sharp nails. Or should we say, teeth. Looks like our dino's switching to dragon. Which means he'll need to breathe some fire. In other words, we're cooking with gas. Next up, let's add something for the eye. Once the retinas are secure, add some black. Now, turn on the lights. Next up, let's add some horns. Drink umbrellas might just be for decoration. But when it comes to dragons, frills are never unnecessary. Here, we've got your back. Now, how about some melon? Never knew watermelon was so crunchy. This should help you grow a spine. But fruit's just a starter. How about some seafood? Always love the fin you're in. Hey, it's lunchtime. Spread those wings. It's chicken time. Make sure you save those bones. I mean, he might want to chew on them, but this works too. Still, those bones are looking kinda bony. Of course, balloons can always lift you up. Especially when you use them for webbing. Keep things aerodynamic and color coordinated. Ooh, someone wants to lend a helping hand. Arm. Add them on. Gotta love the T-Rex look. Speaking of T-Rex, he's got something for you. Purple clay to cover him up. Put some meat on those bones. Now add some texture. And we should replace those nails. Next up, add some spikes. Some paint. And a little ooze is always appreciated. Time for the big debut. Now where are we on those marshmallows?
Just a regular day at the mini zoo. Wait, what is that thing on my head? Hey, find another parking spot. Oh no. It's heading for the sheep. Look. It's transforming into a wild alien beast. Everyone, scatter. Let's scan our camel. Caramel's running hot at 41.8 degrees Celsius. Looks like he needs a serious design makeover. Eyes locked. Safety glasses on. Let's customize the silhouette and detach the head. Time for a long, slithering hybrid base. And then secure it with steel wire. A whole new concept starts here. Perfect. Adding hot glue to define the segments. It bends flawlessly. Now, let's prep for the details. Clay time. Layering a vibrant sci-fi gradient. Now, let's carve in some fine textural details. Let's widen the front and form a deep cavern for the mouth. Smooth out the edges and mark the contours for the final touches. Let's give him some defensive spikes. Snip up the toothpicks and use tweezers to plant them one by one. He's looking fiercely menacing. Mask on Time to prime. Spray a thick coat of gray base to unify the texture. Bring Caramel's plastic head back and blend it seamlessly into the build. But this hybrid needs legs, and nature has the best materials. Time to forage the indoor jungle. These twigs are perfect. Snap to size. Glue the joints. And drill mounting holes right into the body. Plug them in. Adjust the stance. It's coming alive. Bring it back to the desert look. Paint the body sand yellow in a deep crimson shade inside the mouth. Highlight the spikes with clean white. Shadow the crevices. And paint the eye a bold, mystical red. Final touch, glossy varnish for that polished toy sheen. Look at that shine. Caramel looks amazing, but wait, look who's back. That little parasite. It's round 2. Wrong project to mess with, buddy. Boom. Out of the game. Meet the Sand Strider. Incredible gloss. Epic details. And shelf ready. Comment if you'd build one. And see you next time.